With that, let's also take you through some breaking news that's coming in within this very story. Tejasvi Yadav takes urine jibe at sources. Election Commission sources have said large number of illegals found during the SIR campaign. Tejasvi has said, and I quote, "I consider these sources urine." Tejasvi has also said, who are these sources? These are the same sources that said that Islamabad, Karachi and Lahore have been captured. SIR is a complete eyewash. The Election Commission of India is working as a cell of a political party. These are explosive remarks that's being made, controversial remarks that's being made by RJD's Tejasvi Yadav. Let's quickly take a look at what exactly has been said by him before we proceed with a discussion on this.
लेकिन कि कौन है सूत्र? ये वही सूत्र हैं जो इस्लामाबाद, कराची, लाहौर जो कब्जा करवा रहे थे। ये सूत्र को हम लोग जो है मूत्र समझते हैं। और इस तरह की अगर कोई बात है भी तो आखिरी बार यूपी की सरकार में 2003 में SIR हुआ था। उसके बाद से अब तक जो है इतने साल हो गए और इन सालों में कई चुनाव हम लोगों ने देखा। नरेंद्र मोदी जी का 14 का भी चुनाव देखा, 19 का भी देखा और 24 का भी देखा। यानी इनका कहने का मतलब ये है कि उस समय हम लोग 3-3, 4-4 लाख वोट से चुनाव हारे। तो क्या विदेशियों ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को वोट दिया? क्योंकि 20 साल से बिहार में सरकार इनकी है, 11 साल से केंद्र में इनकी सरकार है और ये जितने चुनाव जीत करके ये लोग गए, सरकार बनाए, तो यानी सब फर्जी है। यानी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का प्रकोष्ठ बनकर के इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है काम कर रहा है।
With that, Rohit Singh joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this very story at this point. Rohit, a very good evening to you. This is what we are picking up. Tejasvi Yadav's controversial remark where he has said these sources are nothing but urine. And he has said that these are the same sources who had made false claims in the past as well, bizarre claims in the past as well. That's what he has to say at this point. How are we looking at this and what more are you picking up?
Well, yes, it looks like Tejasvi Yadav is very upset with the media also, because in the last few days we have been seeing that how aggressively he is being hitting out at the media for not showing or printing, publishing news related to the opposition. And today, since morning we are seeing that news is running on television channels, according to Election Commission sources, that many people of Nepal, Myanmar and Bangladesh have been found to be enrolled in the voter list in Bihar.